Hey guys, this is Julie Willits with juliewillits.com. Today I am going to actually go through a video retargeting ad. Yesterday I did a video regarding a custom audience, so if you haven't watched that video, this may not make a whole lot of sense to you, but I will actually put the link to that video in the description in case you did not see it. So here I have my actual page, my fan page. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. So this is the video I want to actually retarget. So you can see that it has reached 15,277 people. I've had 30 shares and 7.4 thousand views. So what we're going to do is go into our audience assets in Ads Manager. Let me move this over a little bit. Okay, so I have actually populated this audience, which I showed you in the last video, but you would go to All Tools, go to your Audiences, brings you to the Asset Library. So I'm going to retarget 20 people that have watched 25 to 50% of my video, okay? Whoops. So we're going to click that, go to create the ad, well, you know what, that's not what I want to do. Sorry, I wanted to show you something else. So let me go back to the Asset Library. So when you're populating this actual video that you want to retarget, if you click in here, it's your audience details. Let me move this over. Are going to so we have our audience details here. So you can go in here to edit, but actually you won't be editing. When you're creating the ad, you're going to actually choose the video, and it'll give you all your, you're going to have to go to the correct page, number one. Okay, so this is the video I uploaded, and this is the one that I want to use. So I would click that, and it's on from Freepreneur, one of my fan pages. Let me move this. There's too many things to move, huh? Okay, and then you would actually just update your audience, okay? I'm not going to do that because I already have this in place. But you would pick your video, and then you would want to anybody that has watched your video for a percentage of time within a certain time frame, and you can put this in here, whatever the days you want, and then you would hit update audience, or in your case it may be a little bit different when you get to that part. So what we're doing here let me move this back. So I'm actually doing it for conversions. And then you're going to actually name your audience, conversions, and I would do retargeting and name your video. I know my video, I have 2 that are running in ads, and this is video 1 for me. Then you have to, of course, you've had your pixel set up, and for me, mine is going to be complete registration for my conversion event. And you have a custom audience here, so you really don't have to fill anything else out on your audience information. I would go ahead and, to me, I don't do any of this when I set my ad up. I do the feeds. I don't do Instagram. I take that off. I don't do audience network. This particular ad, no, I'm not going to do Messenger. I do all mobile, and for a retargeting ad, I'm going to do $2 a day. I'm doing for conversions, and on this, I'm going to hit 1-day click. So here my estimated results on a daily basis are going to be 33 to 170. And then we're going to hit continue. I'm going to, and then you can just copy and paste the actual ad name that you have named it. I'm going to use existing post. And then I'm going to find my post. It's going to be back a ways because I did this a little while ago. But basically you look for, I'm looking for the video right here. So this would be it. And you have everything else in there. You would have your ad copy in there because this is a custom audience. And then the name field is required. Name field. Not sure what that means at this very moment. Let's hit review. I don't know what you're talking about, Facebook, but we're going to confirm it. And this will upload, but you know what? I'm not going to do that because I already have that in place at the moment for retargeting. And that's pretty much it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified when I have uploaded a new video. I know this isn't the high quality action-packed video, but I hope that this gives you a little bit more understanding in how you can create a retargeting ad. This is for video, but you can retarget any type of ad that you've had running. You may want to change if you're using an image, you may want to change that image. You may want to change up the ad copy a little bit so they're not seeing the same exact thing. Now with a video, it's a little bit different, because if they haven't watched the whole video, they'll be reminded. They're like, oh yeah, I saw that. I saw part of it, but I didn't finish it. You know, and people get busy. I mean, they may get interrupted, and then they, you know, just out of their sight, out of mind, and they don't remember that they were actually going to watch that video. So this gives them another chance to watch it, gives me another opportunity to get the video in front of them and maybe see if they're interested in what I had to offer. Okay guys, well this is my video for today, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.